everybody. How you doing? It's Rob Farrow, ATV. I just want to do a little follow-up on the repair video that I did for the overheating when the hose came off. As far as I'm concerned, that little clamp was doing its job, but when I found out there was no lip on the impeller cover, that's when it got me wondering. So I'll just do a little, I'll show you a little clip of the video. You can search it out and watch it. It's the overheating. Beware of the problem for the XMR.
Alright, I wanted to point out another thing. On the edge of this flange, which is the water impeller cover, there should be a lip on here, but there's only a lip for like that much. There's really nothing to hold that on. That's the old clamp. The old hose. New hose tells you which way down to the engine. So I'm going to put a gear clamp on. Hopefully that'll hold better. Up here where it goes, we got a full lip all the way around.
So it got me thinking that maybe there was a problem with the original part that was on there, the impeller cover, since it didn't have the lip on one side. And so I ordered a brand new one from BRP Montreal, and they sent it. I haven't had any problems with them before. The parts have been good, come in a timely manner. So I received my part, exact same part, and to my surprise, it's actually worse than the one that is on there. There's only lip on half, same way, and then where the cast aluminum was joined here, there's actually a ridge on there. And trying to make this watertight so the coolant doesn't leak out, it's pretty hard when you have a little lip on there. Show you close up. Okay, hopefully you can see that. That's the part number on it. You can see lip, a little bit of a lip on this side. And on the other side here, there's absolutely no lip. That lip is only like half. And it's like this chunk here was last molded or something. Like there's a join mark here. If you look at that, if you look at these, that's not even smooth. That's a ridge. How's that supposed to not leak with a ridge on there? So this, I don't know where they get these parts made, but in my opinion, this is junk. You need a lip all the way around there to hold that hose on properly, and it's not even finished. Like, least you can do is sand that down a little bit. So it makes me wonder. I'm going to have to obviously go to an aftermarket cover eventually. I got a gear clamp on there right now holding the hose on, and haven't had any problems. So what are you going to do? So that was just a little bit of information I hope was useful to Outlander owners. I don't know if there's any other issues on any other machines. I haven't seen or heard anything, so just something to be aware of. Hope you found this interesting, and please tune in and check out my channel. There's no ATV on here. I changed it, but I'm gonna have to get a new one. Rob Farrow ATV. And see how you like the videos. If you like them, like and subscribe. A lot more coming up, and in the spring we're gonna give her again. I got some parts that I'm gonna be putting on this thing over the winter. CV Tech primary clutch, and I got some new tires and rims. The tires are the Outlaws, and I actually got a rear bumper for this thing. So I'll be sticking all that on this winter. I'll do a couple of videos, and hope you enjoy them. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.